வணக்கம். இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது ஃபோரியர் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம். இந்த ஃபோரியர் டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் பார்க்க முன்னாடி இதோட ப்ரிலிமினரிஸ் இன்டகிரேஷனை நம்ம சில டாப்பிக்கை நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். மெயினாக அந்த ஈவன் ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்னது, ஆட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் என்னன்னு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஈவன் ஃபங்க்ஷன், ஆட் ஃபங்க்ஷன், நாட் ஆட் நம்பர், only the even function and odd function. The function f of x is said to be odd if f of minus x is equal to f of x. A function f of x is said to be odd if f of minus x is equal to f of x. That means we take x by minus x, the answer is f of x. For example, f of x is equal to x. You define f of x is equal to x. So we take x is equal to minus x, f of minus x is equal to minus x. So already we take x is equal to f of x, so we write minus f of x. So f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So f of x is odd function. Another example. So f of x is equal to sin x. So we take x is equal to minus x. F of minus x equal to sin of minus x. That is sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So minus sin x. That is minus f of x. So we take x is equal to minus x, f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So f of x is odd function. Similarly, the function f of x is said to be even if f of minus x is equal to f of x. So here this is f of x is equal to f of minus x is equal to f of x. Here this is f of minus x is equal to plus f of x. F of minus x is equal to plus f of x. For example, f of x is equal to h squared. F of minus x is equal to minus x the whole square. So that is equal to h squared. F of minus x is equal to h squared equal to f of x. So f of minus x is equal to f of x. So f of x is even. Another example, f of x equal to mod x. So f of minus x is equal to modulus of minus x equal to mod x, which is nothing but f of x. So that mod x means the absolute value of x. So we take the any value, positive value, negative value, the answer is mod x, that is x. So that is f of minus x is equal to f of x. So f of x is even. Then one more preliminary topics. That is the integration by rule of integration. So integral of minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0 if f of x is odd. So 2 integral of 0 to a f of x dx if f of x is even. Here this is odd, here this is even. So the integral part is odd, the value of this integral is 0. The f of x is even, the value of the integral is 2 into integral of 0 to a f of x ds. You see, this is the second topic. Again, third topic, the Bernoulli's extension formula. Bernoulli's extension formula. So integral of, so uv dx is equal to So u v1 plus minus u dash v2 plus etc. So first term is positive, again the second term is negative, third term is positive, and next term is negative. So u means in this term, that is of the UVD, u means first term, v means second term. So this suppose we take u is equal to e power x and v is equal to x. So this u equal to e power x is not finite derivative exists, so not finitely differentiable. So it doesn't take this value of u equal to e power x. Only the u means, so only the which term is finite derivative exists, we take the value is u equal to that term. So integral of suppose e power x into dx is rewritten integral of x into e power x dx. So reason is, so u is finite derivative exists and v is e power x. So you interchanging these two terms, that is x into e power x dx. Now we apply the Bernoulli's extension formula. U equal to x, b equal to e power x, u dash equal to 1, b equal to e power x. So that is integral of x into e power x dx equal to u b1 minus u dash v2 plus etc. So u x into e power x minus u dash, if we take the bracket, so you operate term by term. So that is derivative of this u dash means operate this dash 1 bracket then integral e power x plus this one is 0. So x e power x minus e power x. This is a basic concept of this Fourier transform. So mainly, so first one is the odd and even function, and second the Bernoulli's extension formula, and third integration rules. Again one more formulas. So e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So e power minus I theta is equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. E power I theta, here this is plus, here this is plus, this is minus, this is minus. Then e power minus infinity is equal to 1 by e power infinity. So that is 1 by 0 equal to 1. So these are the basic concept of this Fourier transform.